guys, a bit of a Saturday grafter with my little son. So he's a 4-year-old and he's been grafting from literally 11 o'clock and it's now just after 6. He's an absolute legend. So what we've done, we've created a little bit of a glacial boulder retainer there, just to give that a little bit more detail. We've put a sandstone stepper in, which is 1 metre by 350mm by 150mm in depth. They're roughly about 100 kg. They're an absolute beast. And then what we've done then is carried on the little glacial retaining boulders there. I've stopped here because obviously I need access to get the digger back in when we get to that stage. And so we've planted my braided willows as well, which look absolutely breathtaking now. Went to go a couple of small little plants just to start making it look a little bit better. I say, but that's going to be completely 100% planted. That'll generally end up looking similar to that section over there with all the planting and all the different details. So that's like a little bit of a long way away, but to be truthful, we're making good progress nonetheless. So I just thought I'd show you that little bit of a snippet. So hopefully we can do a little bit more in the DJ's home garden soon. We're just going to have to wait for funds now, just due to obviously the waterfall and everything else, the astroturf and the slabs. We need that little bit of extra funds to make sure we can get it done. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.